In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the WooCommerce cache so your store always loads the most accurate and updated information. This is an important step for fixing issues like outdated prices, old product data, or pages not updating properly. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over WooCommerce and click on Status. This brings you to the System Status area where WooCommerce keeps all its maintenance tools. At the top, select the Tools tab. Here, you will see several options that help improve store performance. Begin by clearing expired transients. These are temporary cached pieces of data that help speed up your site but can cause issues when they become outdated. Clearing them removes unnecessary clutter from your database. Next, scroll down and click Clear Customer Sessions. This resets saved cart data, checkout sessions, and any old customer interactions, ensuring your shoppers see fresh, accurate information every time they visit. Then, clear the template cache. This ensures that any theme or layout changes you've made appear instantly and your customers don't see outdated designs or broken page layouts. Finally, clear the analytics cache. This forces WooCommerce to refresh its reports so you always see accurate real-time sales and performance data. And that's it. Clearing your WooCommerce cache is a simple routine that keeps your online store running smoothly, loads faster, and displays accurate information every time.